Some people absolutely crush it at Haulover, kind of like this guy driving this Carrera. He does not care, he's got the throttles down and he's just going to hammer his way through it no matter what. Welcome back to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. I'm your host Broncos Guru along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting us these images, and let's go ahead and see Man and Machine take on Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. Our first boater we're going to see do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to do the exact opposite thing we saw in our opening clip. These guys are going to take it easy, relax, and enjoy themselves going through Haulover. Only problem is, that's not the way a SEAVEE wants to handle Haulover. If you've got a SEAVEE, go ahead and use your boat as intended, throttle it down, and pound your way through Haulover. Even though this really isn't that rough, these guys are just taking a little bit of bounce here and there. Still, I'm going to give them the loss just for having a boat of this size and capabilities that SEAVEEs are known for, and I'm going to take it easy like this, not in my house. This round right here, I'm going to have to regrettably give to Haulover Inlet. But it's not all bad. Guess what our next captain will do? He'll show you how you're supposed to take Haulover Inlet in a SEAVEE. This guy right here is epitome of Haulover Inlet. Throttles down and smack your way through it. It doesn't matter what the conditions are, but this SEAVEE right here, this is how SEAVEEs are supposed to handle Haulover Inlet when they come through. And this captain's going to take the win for the boats in the second round, showing us how it's done. Even though those SEAVEEs are nice, even a little Scout can power the way through Haulover Inlet. Right here, this guy's got it down. He's rolling in throttles down, just him and his wife or girlfriend on the boat having a good time. But here you'll see what happens. As he comes through throttle down, he's just letting the boat and the motor do the work, push his way through Haulover, having a good time doing it. They do get a little airtime here and there, but overall, they're just having fun. And this is the way I'd like to see people come through Haulover. I know it's not always possible. Sometimes the conditions are a little too rough, especially in these smaller boats. They gotta watch their speed a little more than the bigger ones, but this round right here goes to the boats. And after watching two boats power their way through Haulover Inlet, we're going to see it again. Plenty of boat, no go. Right here, this 32-foot Renegade, this is a strange combination actually. Twin Yamaha 225s. I don't think I've ever even seen a Renegade powered by Yamahas. Usually from the factory, they're coming with Suzukis or Mercs, so obviously they've repowered this, and for some reason they've decided to repower it with 225s instead of 300s. Maybe that's why they're going so slow through Haulover Inlet. I have seen these boats in action in some nice poker runs. These things can haul tail and handle some pretty rough conditions. Why these guys are taking it so easy, I don't know, but because they are, I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover. Let's see somebody else get it done in Haulover. I know I'm being a little nitpicky today. It's a light day in Haulover, so I gotta give Haulover a little bit of advantage here and there. But if this little jet boat can haul and tail through Haulover, there's no reason that first SEAVEE and that Renegade couldn't do the same. My man's literally just picking his way through the waves right here. He's actually playing around and having a good time in a boat that barely has any freeboard and going about twice the speed as we saw some of those other boats going. Right here, my man's definitely taking the win for the boats, and since this is the fifth and final round, that's gonna go ahead and give this episode to the boats. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage from Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, do us a huge favor and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.